The June swing crawl knee crawler is a lateral swing using a ring, so set them up fairly high enough that if you bend your knees you're not touching. You're starting out in a nice dead hanging position and just gradually swing side to side. If you find that too strong, you could keep the feet on the ground and just working side to side, getting that strength and stability with those single arm shrugs and getting that nice mobility as well. Then we're going into a lateral bridge crawl or lateral crawl. So you're just in a bridge position here and then stepping the foot and the hand together. You could step 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 like that to make it a little bit easier, or step them together. Then we're going into a sissy squat, so that'll be 15 seconds each way with that, 15 seconds each side with this. I like to just kind of not go too far, focus on really strengthening that back leg through that line, anterior core, reaching there. You can add the rotation in, but it is nice just to get a 15-second hold each side, really work on that nice strength there and that good control. Then going into a windmill, 15 seconds a side. So you can load this one, add extra load, driving the hips out, hinging forward. Can bend the knees if you need to. And then driving up, getting that lateral strength there. And that hamstring mobility and strength. And there. Nice movements, 3 rounds of that, 30 seconds each. Just controlled, good technique is going to go a long way with this. There's no rest, so you're just going around. It is the most dynamic of the core workouts. A lot of fun. In the classes we do this and then we go into bicep, tricep once a week. So, but usually it's or tricep I get people to start with. It's more about getting kind of forearm conditioning. So as an example, using one dumbbell, pressing overhead like that, and then having the dumbbell out in front with the elbows locked out like that. So it's really generating that nice force through the forearm and the elbow so that you're getting that tissue tolerance there. So it's just not mindless kind of arm work, but it's actually going to cross over, especially this position for your nice handstand line, and that flexibility through there. The load will add to that kind of lat, tricep flexibility and strength, as well as that just conditioning the forearms and that straight arm strength when you lock it out and controlling into it. We usually add that extra kind of core work in after for 3 sets. No timer, just whatever the reps are of the day, and no rest, so it's back to back, and that way, you know, the guys that like doing our arm stuff, they're still getting it in every week. So enjoy, see you next time.